what's up? Ako si Yo Love, host ng
Oh my God! Dax or Jutes!
And I'm with the Viva Max Queen,
Angelica!
belated happy birthday.
Thank you. Regalo ko.
Mamaya na lang. Angeli, si Yo Love, may one question lang sa'yo. Game ka ba?
Oo naman.
My question is, have you tried
Oo naman.
gaano kabilis, like how many minutes yung mo?
3 minutes.
That was too quick.
Oo nga.
Kanino mo binigay ang key?
Ex-boyfriend.
Okay. Ba't kilang anong eksena?
May cleaners noon na pumunta. Tapos pagkagising ko na naginip ako na, alam mo na, ganun. Sabi ko, tara, tayo.
Saan yung pinaka-weirdest place na ginawa mo yung key? Bahay nino.
Bahay niya.
Ang baduy nung ano mo. Hindi ka nakatry sa tricycle, sa jeep, sa bus.
Soon to na.
May I ask, yung key na 3 minutes, ano siya? Bitin, satisfy, regret?
Bitin! Gusto ko yung ako din. Bakit ba't ikaw lang? Dapat tayo dalawa.
Yung may kwento, like how did your ex-boyfriend insist you to have a key? Like,
ako nag-aya. Sabi ko, ang sarap ng panaginip ko. Tara, kita. Sabi niya, hindi, bawal kasi may cleaners na pumunta dito. Sabi ko, hindi, lang. So, nga lang talaga. Siya nga lang talaga wala ako. Never again.
what's the first thing na hinawakan sa'yo or anong part ng katawan mo ang inatake?
Ako yung humawak eh.
So sa boy, what first part of the body ng boy ang hinawakan mo?
Nata niya.
Agad-agad! Nung pagkahawak mo, galit na ba or tulog pa?
Galit na.
Ganyang kaganda ang isang Miss Angelica, wala pang ginagawa, hahawakan pa lang, galit na. Yung nahawakan mo, butterfly or dragon?
Dragon, nako.
Tuli ba or hindi?
Tuli.
Pinoy or Afam?
Afam.
So, sa mga Pinoy, sorry po. Next generation na lang.
Malay mo mamaya. Ay, joke!
Ay, uy, baka...
Mali!
Ano yung apa mo na ex-boyfriend? Dax or Jutes?
Dax.
From 1 to 10, ilang inches ang...
10 inches!
Perfect! How was the feeling?
Parang... more pa.
Kamusta naman ang kipi after ng 10 inches?
Ayun.
Buhay pa ba? Humihinga pa ba?
Medyo na, pero kaya pa.
Last question na lang. Yung mga viewers kasi nagko-comment, ang daming gigil. May chance din daw ba yung mga viewers makakiki sa isang Angelica?
Depende.
Buti pa yung viewers, how about the host naman itself? Like, 1, 2, this is the 3rd time.
Nako, Yola, pag ba ano yun dyan, 10 babae mo.
So guys, this is only for content. We're doing this to entertain you, to please you, at syempre para mabasa ang cellphone at computer niyo.
Yeah.
So guys, please don't bash Angelica. This is only for content. Pero thank you so much for your time. At syempre, until when they will watch the unang tikim. Sa mga di pa nakakapanood, guys, sulitin nyo na ang pagkakataon kasi ito ang first ever movie in cinemas. Hanggang kailan sila pwede manood?
Opo, manood po kayo ng unang tikim. Now showing na yan in cinemas nationwide. Sa SM Cinemas, R16, saka sa Ayala. At Robinsons naman, R16. At kung kakain sa Bontiju, kapag naka 2,000 kayo na worth of meal, meron kayong free 2 tickets. Sa Wing Zone naman, worth 900, meron kayong free 1 ticket.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Angelique. This is the 3rd time.
Oh.
Are you still looking for the 4th time? Kasi baka nagsasawa ka na pwede na akong mag-ibang bansa, pwede na akong pumunta sa malayo. Para di mo na ako makita, di na ako manggulo, di na ako mangstorbo.
Ikaw lang naman yung ayaw sa amin eh.
Madam, alam mo, gusto kong pumunta dun sa sa may food court mo. I like to eat there, then promote. Baka yun yung pwedeng 4th and 5th. Pasensya ka naman, makapal na ako, F.
Man, ramen saka shawarma dyan sa Manila, Divisoria.
Madam, when I go there, sana I hope to see you there para naman matikman ko ang mga masasarap na foods and the viewers will support and eat there.
Paano yung tikim?
Ganon! Oops! Commercial. I found out that Tong It's Go has launched a brand new Lucky Motorcycle raffle with a total prize pool of 289,500 pesos. Aside from the motorcycle grand prize, this campaign also has an iPhone 14, Apple iPad mini, and generous Go Star prizes waiting for you. 20,000 Go Stars is equivalent to 20,000 loads. A lot of rewards and surprises. Moreover, the loads can be used to swap for latest Mobile Legends, Bang Bang skins, or or any other MLBB items you want. This is a great opportunity for MLBB players that you don't want to miss. Getting raffle tickets is easy. Just join a group, play at the group table, and get a raffle ticket for every 1 W of diamonds you spend. The more raffle tickets you have, the more chances you have to win prizes, such as motorcycles, iPhone 14s, 20,000 Go Stars, etc. I also found 5 ways to get free raffle tickets. First, log in for 10 consecutive days. Second, hit 1 jackpot in group color game. Third, hit 5 straight or above in group tong its. Fourth, hit flash or above in group poker. And last, hit 3 flash, dragon, 3 straight, 6 pairs in group Pusoy. Best of all, if you get these raffle tickets, the prize draw will be on August 17, which is next Saturday. So you don't have to wait too long to have a chance to receive these surprise gifts. So what are you waiting for? Download Tong It's Go now. Link on the description below. Bye-bye!